Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Fahren H49003 headlights. These are a big upgrade from halogen headlights. They're 600% brighter. They last for 60,000 hours plus. And they have these built-in fans that allow them to fit in there nicely. So as we open it up, we've got these two gloves here to go ahead and change out your halogen headlights. Just like keep your hands clean while you're underneath the hood. You've also got the owner's manual in there. And then here you got the headlights themselves. As you can see, the plug's built in right there. No need for an extra cable hanging around. You've got the fan up here. This thing is 180,000 RPM, so it spins very fast, ultra quiet, and it cools off this thing without the need for an extra bulky fan like many other headlights have right around this area. The nice thing about the built-in fan is that there is no big fan here that hinders the dust cap from attaching to the back of this headlight correctly. So basically you got the LED chip in there, you got this ultra fast processor, and it's just running this fan, it's running the LEDs, and this thing just like brightens up the road like nothing else. So you can throw away your old halogen bulbs. If your halogen bulbs run out, I highly recommend you get these. I've been using these and they just really light up the road. You can see anything off to the side of the road. It makes the driving a lot safer, by the way. And just the build quality is very nice for the price. You really can't beat this. Great customer support from Fahren. And just taking a look at that build, super nice. 22,000 lumens, very bright. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching.